Hi everyone, I'm Chris from Professional Displays and Solutions, and I'm here to introduce very briefly our brand new L series within our professional displays. We're greatly expanding our displays, also enhancing our technologies within our displays as well. We have 4 new lineups. We have the BZ30L, which is our standard lineup, which ranges from 32-inch up to a brand new 85-inch within our entry segment. They're at 440 nits. Then we have our core lineup, the step up from the BZ30L, which is the BZ35L. This ranges from 55-inch up to 85-inch at 550 nits. And then we have our high-end lineup, the BZ40L, which ranges from a 55-inch up to 85-inch and features our brand new haze technology called Deep Black Non-Glare, which enables you to reduce reflections whilst not compromising your image quality. And then finally we have our 98 BZ50L, which is our brand new flagship, which has outstanding image quality. So in terms of our overarching design philosophy for our new models, we kind of look at it in 3 different directions. One is to look at the picture quality within our displays, installation friendliness, and then also our usability as well. So just to give you a little intro into each of those, in terms of picture quality, all of our displays obviously vary by brightness, but they all feature the same image processing, the X1 processor, which really delivers on color, contrast, and clarity, as well as motion as well. So you really get that Sony look and feel to your images as you would expect from a Sony display. And our BZ40L range introduces our new haze technology. This is the first time we've introduced haze within our Sony professional lineups. And this is not just any old haze, it features a very high haze filter, 47%, but also incorporates a low reflection technology from our consumer displays. So with both of those technologies combined, we can not only reduce reflections, but we can also maintain image quality and especially contrast. And this is one thing you get kind of compromised with other haze technologies, is you kind of lose a bit of contrast. With our BZ40L, really zero compromise haze display. Moving on to our installation flexibility side, all of our displays actually feature the same chassis, same dimensions across all our lineups. Whether you choose a 55-inch BZ30L, 35L or 40L, they're all exactly the same dimensions, same chassis, same bezel, so you can really pick and choose and swap whichever series you need for whichever application you need as well. Moving on to usability, we also have our Pro mode, as we always have had with our professional displays. This is a complete suite of tools that enable you to customize your display based on your application. So whether you're doing a signage display and you want to lock down and make the display completely tamper-proof, turn off the remote, turn off the buttons, you can do that through Pro settings. If you're using it in a corporate space, in a meeting room, you may want HDMI auto wake up, for example. So when you connect an HDMI source, the screen comes on. So that's available within Pro settings. There's more than 30 different configurations you can do to really optimize your display. Also, we have our powerful system on chip with all of our displays, which features Android TV. Very flexible and secure, enables you to seamlessly integrate with your preferred remote management system or content management system. So you can manage your displays remotely, or you can send content remotely as well. And if you'd like to find out any more about our brand new L series from Sony, please don't hesitate to go to pro.sony and search for professional displays.